Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I want to make a speech about rendang. Okay, but first let me introduce myself. My name is Tama. I'm from Eden Boarding School and from 9th grade in Eden Boarding School, the 6th generation of SMP or the junior high school. Okay, so let me tell you about rendang. Rendang was the food, or I can say maybe the best food in the world and the local food in the Sumatra. That was the name of the island in Indonesia, one of the five biggest island in Indonesia. So there's 5 biggest island in Indonesia. This was Java, there's Kalimantan, Sulawesi, Papua, and Sumatra. Rendang is from Sumatra, and let me tell you a little bit of it. So rendang was like normal beef, but like we put so many ingredients and other things, so it can make the things that rendang. It's not be only beef. If after we make it, it's more like from the beef that the texture is hard and hard to chew, is like very soft and very tasteful. Like there's spicy, there's salty, there's like a little bit sour, but it's good, very good. Up to how you make it and who is the one that cooks the rendang. How to make rendang, maybe you can ask it in Google, but for me I think it's the one of the hardest thing to cook the thing that for cook. And for the rendang, but you can like make it easily by using the powder on the powder. So like you buy like the beef, and then you buy the instant powder of rendang, and then you just boil it in one place, and you put the beef and you put the instant seasonings, and then you mix it, and then will be rendang. But it will be better if you using the traditional ways. So if you want to buy rendang, you can just go to Padang Inn. There was so many rendang, but not all of the Padang Inn was good in making rendang. Like, so if in my experience, some of it make rendang like they're so hard, or we basically call it the stone rendang, because it can not be chewed. Like I'm already chew it like almost 10 minutes, and it's not, my throat cannot swallow it. Yeah. And then, so like if you want to the recommendation of the how to we see the good rendang, like maybe if the Padang Inn was there's so many customers, like maybe that's the rendang is good. But if you don't like spicy rendang, you can just make it by yourself, and or some of the inn the rendang is not spicy, so it's like gacha. Sometimes the rendang is spicy, sometimes it's not. Sometimes the rendang is like a stone, sometimes it's very soft. So I also have experience with rendang. So when at Ramadan, I go to my father's home at Medan, that was in Sumatra, and then my aunt was make me 1 kilogram of rendang. So in all of that Ramadan, from Ramadan until Idul Fitr, I just sahur using rendang and open with rendang, and I'm have a new experience that I was make the kebab rendang. So with it, this was my first experience. I always eat with rendang, and also because she was very good at cooking, so the rendang is very like soft, not too spicy, not very spicy, but it's good. and it's very soft and also very salty that I very like because I always like the thing that salty, and because of it I was very like rendang, and after it I always ask for rendang. If my father was go to Medan, I always ask for 1 kilogram of rendang. So because of it I very like rendang, and if I want go to Padang Inn, I always ask for rendang. But if that place don't have rendang, I usually buy a fried chicken. And for the menu that you can combine with rendang, of course that was rice, and the other is jackfruit, and there's also like and if not maybe only that too, with rice and jackfruit, but you can add some extra chili if you want. And if you want like the rendang not spicy but you want to, and it's easy, you can just buy in online store. There was the store I remember that was Rendang Gadi that sells very good rendang like jackfruit rendang Sumatera, rendang beef, rendang with lamb. Yes, that they very expert with rendang. I always eat the rendang like the 500 grams. I can eat it all in one day. Okay. For the rendang, maybe that's if sometimes I was always thinking of it, why I cannot always make rendang, but yeah, I think rendang is one of the food that was more worth it if you buy it than you make it by yourself. Okay, guys, maybe just that from me. Sorry for all my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.